3, 2, 1.
Unclog stuffy noise. How would you do this? The answer is A. Keep an apple near bed. In what year did the dynasty of Baonong fully collapse? The answer is A. 1599. How will they feel after their trip to the zoo? The answer is A. They will feel worn out. If you score a maximum 147 at snooker, how many pots have you made? The answer is D. 36. What may the narrator do with the photos they took? The answer is C. The narrator will keep the photos for themselves. What would happen if the narrator calls the friend in the future? The answer is C. The friend will answer the call. What part of the world was once known as Cathay? The answer is A. China. What year did Dell announce its plans to sublease its building? The answer is C. 2002. When was Al-Qarawiyyin University founded? The answer is A. 859. Why would he gaze at Goku? The answer is B. Because he wants to talk to Goku. What may be the reason for using the stairs? The answer is B. None of the above choices. What year was the potato blight in Scotland? The answer is D. 1845. To protect an object from getting wet in a rainstorm, how would you do this? The answer is A. Cover the object with a sheet of plastic. When did the Poland area enlargement take place? The answer is A. 1951. Make a dryer ball. How would you do this? The answer is A. Wrap a tennis ball in a sock. What may be the reason why they are preparing for a baby? The answer is C. Their significant other is pregnant. The stylist removes the roller and add another. The stylist removes that one and adds a vertical one. The stylist, what happens next? The answer is B. Speaks and the video ends. Recover from a hangover. How would you do this? The answer is A. Eat ice cream with crackers. In what year did Neville Southall get the record for the most league clean sheets during a season? The answer is A. 1997. By May 27, How many earthquake lakes had formed up behind landslide debris? The answer is C, 34. When did Prussia stop torture? The answer is A, 1740. Prevent car door from hitting garage wall. How would you do this? The answer is A, cut a pool noodle in half and mount on wall. When did the Jeff Beck Group record I Feel Free? The answer is D, 1966. When was the Democratic Republic of Congo excluded from the Kimberley process? The answer is D, 2004. When was Yale Graduate Schools and Arts and Sciences closed? The answer is C, 1847. How many academic journal subscriptions does the Brown School Library have for gerontology? The answer is C, 12. John Mayow died in what year? The answer is B, 1679. Make waterfall. How would you do this? The answer is A, hangover area. What disease may I currently have? The answer is A, AIDS. Why did she paint the room? The answer is A, to make her new house the way she wanted it. How many strings do the non-regular mandolins have? The answer is D, 4. In what year was the Office for the Security of the Revolution founded? The answer is C, 1975. What kind of gauge problem might I have had? The answer is D, I might have had a wrong number of stitches. How do you pop your ears? How would you do this? The answer is A, pull them. Why were the children so sullen to be in the line? The answer is A, none of the above choices. The Greek national anthem has a total of how many verses or stanzas? The answer is B, 158. How much does our highway gas mileage decrease in a heavy rain? The answer is C, about 10%. What type of food is the narrator and group eating? The answer is C, they are eating Ethiopian. What may be the reason for their dislike towards school? The answer is B. They have a lot of homework. In what year did the novel The Color Purple release? The answer is A. 1985. According to the title of a popular children's TV show, what color is Bear's big house? The answer is D. Blue. What should they do to mitigate this issue? The answer is C. Deep breaths. What year was the state animal selected? The answer is A. 1981. In what year did David Jewell become the master of Haileybury? The answer is B. 992. What floor? How would you do this? The answer is A. Could injure a trespasser if it is roped off. To convert cheese into liquid state, how would you do this? The answer is A. Place it in a bowl in the oven for 2 hours. Why is the writer looking into filing systems? The answer is D. They are trying to be more organized. A cowgirl places reins onto hooks on a wall. Ranch staff places saddles onto the horses. The riders. What happens next? The answer is A. Saddle up and hop onto the backs of the horses. Why was I in the church? The answer is D. I was visiting churches in the area. In what year did David Kurtzer become a writer?